For starters, I'll be using these clips to pull my hair back so it doesn't get in the way of my foundation. For this look, I went with my Eden Primer Potion. This one leaves a cream colored base, so I like it when I'll be working with bright colors. For this look, since it is a purple, I started with Single, the lightest purple shade in this palette, to use as a transition shade, and for this I used my Real Techniques blending brush. Once I was finished blending that out, I went in with the color Escape, which is the purple, and I used that to deepen up my crease. After stamping the color on, to make it look better blended, I kind of used my brush to fluff it upwards and then blend it going inwards, if that makes any sense, as you can see in the video. For this cut crease, I went in with the NYX eyeshadow base. I'm not a big fan of this base, but it is white and it did hold for this look. So for cut crease, I would recommend, although I won't recommend it as an eyeshadow base alone. Next, with a flat brush, I went into the color Artistry, which is the shimmer purple in the palette, and placed that all over my lid with the exception of the inner corner. Next, I went in with this angled brush by Sigma into the color Escape and used that to deepen up and sharpen the crease. Then I went in with my blending brush once more just to blend that out above the cut crease. To add more of a gradient, I went into the color Ring Light with this fluffy angled brush and added that into my inner corner. For my foundation primer, I went with Primed and Poreless by Too Faced, and I really like this one. It is so smooth. For my foundation, I usually go with Naked Skin by Urban Decay, and I use the color 7.5. For my concealer lately, I've been using Tarte Shape Tape, and I use the color Tan. To set my concealer, I use the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder, as well as to use To Catch Fallout, because I will still be doing my lower lash line. For my lower lash line, I went in with this hot pink color called Skip, and I used a small concealer brush for this. That is all for this look. I hope you enjoyed a colorful purple look using the James Charles palette. I really like how this one came out, and I hope you join me in my next one. Thank you. Really quickly, I ended up going in with the color Face and used it as a highlight. My lights were kind of washing it out, so I used the Mario Badescu to spray it and kind of bring it out, but I realized while editing that you still could not see it. And at this point, my lashes were already off, my makeup was about to come off, but I hadn't taken it off. So I ended up just catching a quick video on the side that I'm gonna insert so you can see what the highlight actually looked like. So here it is in natural daylight. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for watching.